Hey guys, today's video is going to be a thrift haul. I am going to show you guys some items that I've picked up at different thrift stores in hopes to turn around and sell them on the Poshmark app. I'll link my Poshmark closet down below if you guys are interested in anything that you see in this haul. Before we get started, I want to tell you guys like what my closet is. So basically, I like to shop for things, for the most part, I like to shop for things that I would wear myself. That way, if it doesn't sell, I can wear it. In my closet, you'll see a lot of like athleisure wear, like hoodies and t-shirts. Lots of hoodies. I love hoodies. But yeah, I have like hoodies and t-shirts, you know, jeans, sweatpants, shorts, like a lot of athletic wear. A lot of shoes too. I have a lot of sneakers. I'm not going to show shoes in this haul. If you want me to do a separate shoe haul, I will do that. But all of our shoes are in our shoe storage area. Hopefully this lighting is okay. I broke my ring light. I still need to buy one, and I'm sitting in front of a window and it's like a cloudy, rainy day. So I got this Under Armour kind of like waffle knit pullover. Super cute. Are we already having issues with the lighting? We are. Oh my gosh. No, there we go. It's teal, and then we have like purple. The logo is purple. Looks like this. Am I even gonna be able to do this? Are we gonna be able to do this? Is this gonna work? Is this working out? Is this working out? I don't remember exactly where everything is from. I do, however, remember where this guy is from. So this is a Lululemon scuba hoodie. I got this at a yard sale, and the woman was selling just so many things for cheap, and I really just should have grabbed everything. I actually got this Patagonia shirt there too. I really just should have grabbed everything that she had because everything was super cheap. So yeah, just this heathered pink Lululemon scuba hoodie. This, there's the logo. This is a size 6, I believe. You can even see that. There we go, size 6. This guy I want to keep for myself. I want to keep everything for myself, honestly. Like, let's just be real. So this is just a Champion crew neck. It's a size small, but it's a men's small. But it has rose gold on it. Like, the Champion is in rose gold. How freaking cute! And then you got the Champion logo on the arm. Just a really cute white crew neck. Another Champion hoodie. This is size medium. This is a really pretty teal color. This is just like their classic hoodie with the logo right there. Am I doing a good job showing these guys? Pictures will be in my Poshmark closet. So if you see something on camera and you're like, oh, I kind of like that, but I don't know, check out my Poshmark closet. Now their hoodie, let's just do hoodies first. How about that? Okay, this is a North Face hoodie. This is a size small. It's just black. Looks like this. This guy I want to keep. I think I am gonna keep it. So this is a Nike hoodie. It is a size medium. This says OTC Marathon September 7th, 1980. Apparently the OTC Marathon is a marathon that Nike had or still has. I don't know if they still have it, but it's like a marathon that they had, and I guess this is like the hoodie that you would get, and I really like it. It's a really pretty yellow color, and it's like the perfect condition. Like, it's been worn and it's just like, you know, soft and cozy, and I don't know, I really like it. It's definitely a rare find, so it is listed in my closet for a little bit more than normal. But I kind of have listed higher in hopes that it won't sell so I can keep it because I really do like that. Okay, next is this Nike track jacket. Super cute. It's got oh, lighting. There we go. Nike on the cuffs, on the inside, on the other cuff. It's just a really pretty white and hot pink track jacket. The size says medium, but this is definitely not a medium. A bit more like a small, like, for sure. Yeah, definitely not a medium, but super cute. This guy is listed in my closet and my husband's closet. My husband started a Poshmark closet. He was so cute. Just one day he was like, I want to start a closet. And he sells men's stuff, and he sold like 8 things so far, I think, and he's only had his closet a couple weeks. So I'm like, yeah, we're taking over, basically. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna retire him from his job, and we're gonna just thrift all the time. That's what we're gonna do. So anyway, this is a LA Clippers hoodie. This is, again, just in like perfect condition. It's like a super soft, like pre-owned, worn condition. This is a size extra large. I have a lot of Victoria's Secret pink. This is one of my favorites. Hold on, can we get the true color on camera? There we go. It's like a really light peachy color. Oh yes, look at that, so cute. And it just says pink on it, nothing on the back. This is a size large. Yeah, I just love the color of this. Okay, next up we have this Reebok hoodie. This is just a Reebok classic hoodie. Love this so much. This is a size small. I think it's a men's small though, because this is pretty big for like a women's small. So yeah, I definitely think this is men's. Found this and it was too cute to pass up. This is just, I don't know the brand. I think this is just like an off-brand Bowery supply company. I think they just make hoodies, I don't know. But it says California Republic on it with the bear in like a really pretty floral print. And again, super soft, super like perfect worn-in condition. It's a size extra large. My hair is like, ugh. I straightened it and it's all like frizzy. I didn't put any product in it. Celtics, Boston Celtics hoodie. Really, really, really nice. It's got this like pocket here. I don't know, like a zip-up pocket. You know, you can put a beer in there maybe. Probably made for like money or like a phone. Come on, Vanessa. This is a size medium. Really, really nice. Okay, this is a Victoria's Secret crew neck. This is just Victoria's Secret. It's a size medium. It has like a quilted print on the sleeves, and it's just a really cute black crew neck. It's got the quilted print going down the side too. All right, we have an Adidas crew neck. This is a size medium, I believe. Yes, that's definitely an M. But I love the colors of this. Love it. This is a Puma hoodie. This is a size medium. I believe this is men's because it is big. But again, it's that like worn in, soft, just cozy condition. I want to keep this because I don't have really many red hoodies, do I? I don't think I do. I think I need to keep this. Adidas track jacket. This is a size small. It's blue and black. Looks like that. It's got the 3 stripes on the side. Really, really nice. I saw this and had to get it because it was super cheap. This is Billabong. This isn't usually a brand that I would pick up if this was like 16-year-old Vanessa. High school? Did I wear? Yeah, Roxy. I wore Roxy in high school. Roxy and Billabong. Yeah, 16-year-old Vanessa would love this. But it's a Billabong hoodie. It's a size medium. Looks like, yes, it's got this print on the back. Another Victoria's Secret pink hoodie. This is a size medium, and it's a really pretty like turquoise color. Okay, this is Under Armour. This is a size small. It's definitely men's. Looks like that. Again, it's that like cozy, worn-in condition. You just want to like wear it and hang around the house and lounge all day long, you know? Another men's hoodie. This is Champion. It is a size large. This is just a classic like zip-up hoodie. Okay, more Victoria's Secret pink. This is size extra small. Victoria's Secret sizes are way off. They really are, because I have like a bunch of extra small things that fit me, and I'm not an extra small, like a small medium, like up top. So it's just, it's weird. So I always, well, not always, but I try to provide measurements on Victoria's Secret stuff unless it's like, you know, a legit extra small. But this would definitely fit a small. Like, this is not extra small. But it's just a really pretty, like, heathered, like, light red, pinky color crew neck. It's got the pink logo here with 86. And then it's got this on the back. Another pink hoodie. My cat's meowing. This is a size extra small. Again, this is not an extra small. This is more like a medium. Like Victoria's Secret, you really need to get your sizing together. This is not extra small. Anyway, looks like this. Really pretty like periwinkle color. And then on the back, look, super cute. Victoria's Secret pink quarter zip, half zip, quarter zip. This is a size large. Oh, lighting. There we go. Looks like that. And then it says Love Pink on the back. So we have a North Face hoodie. I actually got this at the Goodwill bins. The outlet. I'll link a video talking about my experience there. I've gone twice and I freaking love it. It really makes me not want to shop at like thrift stores anymore because you can find amazing things at the bins for cheap. Okay, so North Face hoodie. This is a size small and it's like it's kind of like distressed. Like it's got like bleach stains on it, but I don't know, it looks cool. You know, that's what it looks like. But yeah, you know, like bleach distressing is like in. Nike, just kind of like dry fit crew neck. This is a size medium. And this really pretty blue color. I love this hoodie and I want to keep it because it's a really pretty color. It's a Nike cowl neck hoodie, size large. And it's just a really pretty royal blue. I have really good luck selling these cowl neck hoodies. Like they sell. I sold one last night. I sold the black one actually. Another Nike hoodie. This says size large, but this is like a kid's large maybe. I don't know. This definitely is not a women's large. But it looks like this. It does have some pilling on it. I need to shave it a little bit. But at the bottom it just has Nike in like a really bright coral color that's not showing up on camera. So yeah, I would say this fits more like a medium for sure. It's definitely not a large. More Nike. This is just a zip up. This is a size small and it's really pretty like heathered like coral color. This is a Lucky Brand hoodie. This is a size medium. I really like Lucky Brand stuff. I find that it's like hit or miss though. So I don't know. I thought this is cute. It says, how about no? On the side here. It's a really pretty like mauve color. It's got like little stripes here. Super wrinkly because I haven't steamed things yet. I have washed stuff though. I don't know how people do haul videos and they don't wash stuff. Like that's disgusting to me. Anytime clothes, like before they even like come into my house, like they go in the washer. They don't like come into the house, they go in the washer. I just really think it's gross when people are like, oh, I just came from the bins, and you're like touching dirty ass shit and you're throwing it like on your couches and chairs, and I just think that's disgusting. Okay, this was a bins find. I actually kind of grabbed it out of a woman's hand. I didn't know she like had it in her hand. Well, she had like her hand down in the bin and it was on this. She wasn't like holding it in her hand. I don't know how to explain it, but I saw this and I thought it was super cute. It's a Reebok jacket. This is a size large and I just thought it was really cute with like this material here. Super cute. In the back looks like that. All right, I'm gonna show you guys some other things now. These are some Nike dry fit running shorts. They are a size medium. The color is so pretty. Just a really pretty lilac color. These are Champion shorts, size medium. I want to keep them. They're super cute. Like this, and then you know you can flip the little waistband over and it says Champion. Some more Nike running shorts. These are size large. More Nike running shorts. These are size medium. The liner was like cut out of these, so they're just like lightweight shorts. They look like that. I have no idea what this logo is right here. I don't know. Is it like a school logo or something? I don't know. These are Nike Pro shorts, size extra large, and like this really cute like marbly material print. Jessica Simpson, the warm-up leggings in size medium. I thought they were cute. I don't know, with the stars on them. I really like the color. On the back here it says the warm-up with a pocket. I don't have any t-shirts to show you guys because I already have stuff like bagged and put away. T-shirts are like the easiest to do. But I do have this Victoria's Secret pink one. It's a size medium. It's just a v-neck. Says Love Pink on it. I saw this and had to get it. It's a Ninja Turtles shirt. This is a size extra large and it's just a long sleeve Ninja Turtle shirt. I would say this is more of like a maybe medium large maybe. I don't know, but I thought it was super cute. And then the inside, I don't think it's reversible. I mean, maybe it could be, but the inside looks like that. I got this shirt at the bins. I saw this color and I was like, what is this? I don't know. I've been really attracted to like these muted colors. This is a size medium and it just says Moosehead Lake, Maine on it. Okay, these are some Gap body, I don't even know, pants? Yeah, pants, size small. They're just like lightweight pants. They're like joggers. Yes, they are joggers. But they're like super lightweight. I really like the color. And they fit me, so I think I might be keeping these. I don't know why I'm showing you guys things that I'm probably keeping. I don't know, I guess just to show you the things you can find at the thrift store. So yeah, these are super cute. Like, these would be super comfortable to sleep in. I don't know if I would go out in these because they are a little see-through, but these are like perfect for like lounging around the house. These are, the brand is denim. I've never heard of them before, and I really want to keep them, but they're too big for me. They're a size 29. But they're the girlfriend fit low waist ankle. Again, size 29, but I really like them. They're black and they're just like super distressed. I like the bottoms. Ugh, they're too big for me though. I wish they fit because these are super cute. Some AG Adriano Goldschmied jeans. I love these jeans. I've sold a couple pairs. These are the Angel bootcut jeans. Yes, I got these for 50 cents at freaking Plato's. I'm like, AG jeans, what? And they're just like a classic bootcut. Wait, do these ones have the patches? I got 2 pairs. No, these ones don't have the patches. I got another pair that have patches on them. They're really good condition, no fraying at the bottoms. Like, these are pretty much excellent condition. They probably maybe were worn once, if that. Other AG jeans, these ones are a little bit bigger, I think. They're a size 27. But yeah, they're the Angel bootcut jeans. They look like this. These just have a patch right there and then a patch right there. These ones have a little bit of fraying on the bottoms, but like nothing crazy. Like, they're still in really, really good condition. These jeans are BDG. They're a size 28. And I actually distressed these myself. Yep, I did. Who's texting me? My husband. Oh, I just sold something too. Holler. Okay. Yeah, so I distressed them myself, but these are in like excellent condition. Absolutely no fraying on the bottoms. Did I tell you the size? Yeah, size 28. Okay, now I'm just gonna quickly show you guys some bags that I have for sale. First one is this Victoria's Secret Sport, just like tote bag, gym bag, whatever you want to use it as. Looks like that. And then on the back, that, and says Victoria's Secret in the corner. I have this little Coach bag. It looks like this. It is legit Coach. You know, I don't sell fakes. There's like the code or whatever. I do have pictures like up close. But yeah, I got this at the same yard sale that I got Lululemon hoodie. I got Lululemon pants there too, but those are put away already. And this shirt, she just had a lot of really, really good stuff. This Coach bag there, really, really nice. And again, oh, you can't see on this, but yeah, the inside, it's got the date code. This is definitely vintage, and it's in excellent condition. I got this backpack at the thrift store. I don't know, I just thought it was cool. It's like a southwestern print. It's like a cloth material. I don't know, I thought it was cute, and I thought someone would like it. This is super cute. I'd rather be at the gym. This is a really cute, like vinyl duffel bag. Super cute. I came across this gem at the same yard sale. It's a fossil bag, and I want to keep it because it's really cute. This is the Keeley tote, and it's in excellent condition. Like, excellent condition. My kids are making loud noises out there. I need to wrap this video up because I don't know what they're doing. There's the inside. Okay, so that's it for this video. Again, if you guys see anything that you want to purchase, I have my Poshmark closet linked down below. If you're new to Poshmark, if you use my code KEEPINITRAD, you get a $10 credit. So, you know, if you don't have Poshmark and you see something you like, use my code and you can get $10 off something that you purchase from me. And I also get $10 too, just to throw that out there. Let me know if you want to see a shoe haul video because I do have a bunch of shoes. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.